There are so many ways we can create different hairstyles with just our natural hair, and I'm just here to to remind all of us of how versatile our natural hair is, and we can always rock different hairstyles other than doing braiding, twisting and all that. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jena Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you can always share this video to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate. We are going to have cornrows on the front part of the hair. So it started off by just splitting my hair from ear to ear, right at the front, and then we're going to be doing cornrows at the front part of the hair, and then at the at the back section we're going to have a slick down. So continue watching the video. So guys, I'm filling in the pieces of extension as I do the cornrows, simply because my hair is short. Okay, I know you're wondering as to why I'm doing that, but if your hair is way longer than mine, then you don't have to fill in pieces of extension. It will also help me to put my hair together, because you're going to have a low bun. Okay, just keep on watching and you guys are going to see exactly what I mean.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna
So guys, now that we're done with the front part of the hair, I'll just go ahead and start working with the back. So I'm slicking my hair using Sofnfree Gel. If you're not new here, you know that this is my my go-to styling gel. But like I normally say in most of my videos, you can always go for the styling gel that works best for your hair. I'm now smoothing the gel into the hair using my bristle brush, and then after that I'll just go ahead and take my hair tie, and I'm going to use it to secure my hair. As you guys can see, we're going to have like a low band. Once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take my oil, and I'm going to use it to oil my scalp just to make sure that it is nice and moisturized. And then after which I'll just go ahead and take my scarf, and I'm going to use it to tie my hair for some minutes, okay, as I do my makeup. If you've watched this video till here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. Stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking like, and I love how it is nice and laid. Okay, so I'll be using this extension which I made from Brazilian wool, and I'm going to leave the video of how I made this extension in the description box down below. You can go and check it out. Okay, so after attaching it onto my natural hair band, I'll just take a smaller piece of the extension. I'm going to use it to secure the hair, because again, you don't want to be walking around and then your extension falls from nowhere. Okay, I will go around with it just to secure the extension, okay, just like you guys can see in the video. And then after which I'll just make sure that this hair is it sits well onto my band, my natural hair band. So guys, this is how I go to style this hair, and I'm hoping that you find this video helpful. And again, if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I will see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.